Hello YouTube, Frog Squad Leader here. This is going on YouTube, just an FYI. Well, that's kind of obvious, I'm pretty stupid to ask. But, if you guys have Twitter, or whatever, I can't pronounce it right, I'm sorry, but follow me. My username is Frog Squad Leader. It's all one word, no spaces, no capitals. Come follow me, guys, and help me. If you know how to use any kind of hacks, help me take down these so-called hackers that took Minecraft from us. Our love, the thing that we had pride to play and had creative minds for. We could build anything we wanted if we had the right materials. We could play survival, skyblock, and all that fun stuff. If you want to join it and help me, come follow me on Twitter. I'll leave my Twitter name in the description.